family members.
Welcome back. I'm MK Ban, and today I'm going to show you 5 Photopea features that every beginner should know. These tricks will make your editing faster, cleaner, and way more professional. Let's jump right in. First up is removing the background. This feature is perfect for logos, thumbnails, or cleaning product images. Step 1. Open your image in Photopea. Select at the top. Select remove background. This is a premium feature that you can pay for or just watch an ad to access. Click OK from the prompt and watch an ad, and there you have it. The background is gone. Once done, you can export it as a PNG to keep transparency. Next, let's make your layers pop with layer styles. This feature brings life to your layers and adds style to your edits. Double click the layer you want to style. The layer styles dialog box will open. Try any to make your design stand out. Adjust the sliders until it looks just right, and you will see a big difference instantly. Layer mask. These are super useful for non-destructive editing, and this feature is one of my most favorite features in Photopea. Select your layer and click the layer mask button at the bottom. Paint with black to hide parts of a layer and white to reveal them. Combine this with brushes to create smooth fades or hide objects without deleting any of them. Fourth, let's enhance your images with filters, specifically the camera raw filter. Select your layer and go to filter, then to camera raw filter. Adjust settings like exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to instantly improve your photo. Click OK and your edits are applied non-destructively. It's perfect for photo correction or styling. Finally, adjustment layers. These let you tweak colors and tones without changing the original image. Go to layer, new adjustment layer, and pick brightness or contrast, hue or saturation, or curves. Adjust the sliders and watch your image improve. You can hide or delete the adjustment layer anytime without affecting your original work. These features do a lot when it comes to editing a perfect design. Now, for a bonus, I am going to show you an awesome non-destructive effect. This effect can make your design super cinematic. I title it Cinematic Grain. Add color layer of your choice by going to the layer segment and choosing the color layer. Go to filter and select noise, and then add noise. Adjust the noise and make it monochromatic for black and white, and click OK. Change the blend mode to overlay and reduce fill and or opacity, and there you have it, your cinematic grain. Adjust to how much you want it to be. You can change the color to whatever color you want it to be, and you would have perfect results. So there you have it, 5 Photopea features you should know as a beginner. Remove background, layer styles, layer mask, camera raw filter, and adjustment layers. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe to MK Ban, and comment below which feature you want a deeper tutorial on next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.